Introduction. The TikTok social media platform has seen explosive growth over the last 2 years. It now has 500 million users that are desperate for fun and exciting content, and this is a massive opportunity for you to promote your business. To be successful with TikTok marketing, you need to know how the platform works and how the users interact with each other. TikTok appeals to a younger demographic, and you really need to speak their language to be successful. This training will explain all you need to know about TikTok to create successful marketing campaigns. We have worked hard to provide you with everything that you need to know to use the TikTok platform to market your business successfully. You will find it an easy and engaging experience, and we encourage you to go through it from start to finish and then start to implement the tips and advice you find here. You will learn that a number of businesses and organizations have already leveraged the TikTok platform to get the word out. What they have done is not rocket science, and you can replicate their success easily. Engagement with the TikTok user base is essential, and this training will show you how to achieve that. Other marketers have tried marketing on TikTok and failed. We do not want you to make the same mistakes that they did, so follow the steps in this training, and you will maximize your chances of success.